Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen Caddy C20 Cargo Commerce Pro. It is a 2023 registered vehicle and comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine and manual transmission. It's also finished in the deep black pearl metallic paintwork. On the exterior you'll find the automatic headlights in the front to ensure brilliant visibility. It also comes with the electrically adjustable, heated and power folding door mirrors. And on the front and rear you'll find your parking sensor system, aiding in manoeuvrability via audible indications. Into the load space you've got the sliding side door on the passenger side as well as the polite lining inside. Barn style doors provide easy access at the rear and you do have lashing rings for load restraint. Making our way inside, on the driver's door card you'll find the controls for the electric windows and door mirrors, some nice modern styling in here as well with the fabric upholstery offering the driver and passenger armrest as well as the manual adjustment and even the Ergo Comfort lumbar support to provide the optimum comfort. On the steering wheel you'll find the cruise control and speed limiter as well as the volume for the media system. Over to the right you'll find controls for the digital screen within the cockpit as well as the next and back buttons. Taking a look at this screen you have the assist systems available, navigation, audio, telephone connectivity, vehicle status and driving data. Over to the main media system there's plenty to explore here too. It comes with the FM/DAB digital radio waveband for stations across the country. You've also got the Bluetooth connectivity as well so you can wirelessly stream your music to the system, and you can even use that for hands-free calling when on the go to help you stay connected. The vehicle also offers a built-in satellite navigation system to help you get to unfamiliar destinations and indicates nearby points of interest on the map. Parking sensors also provide a diagram on screen so you can see exactly where obstructions are and manoeuvre away safely. You can even adjust the climate controls on screen with the touchscreen functions, or you do have the buttons at the bottom of the screen. Moving down from here you'll find the climate controls and parking sensor button. Underneath that you have your 12V, 2 USB-Cs for charging and connectivity. You've also got the 6-speed manual transmission in the centre, electronic parking brake and auto hold behind, as well as plenty of storage. For more information visit the Swansway Motor Group website or give us a call on 01515 152 911. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.